this video, we will add additional data to an existing system. I can click on my installation here, and I wish to add additional information. So going to the data setup page, I scroll down to this section that says append data. I click on this button and browse the file. In this case, I'm going to add information from 2021 and upload the document. In this particular case, I ensure that the Excel document has the same headers as the original file. Here it's identifying an overlap, which was done on purpose in this case, is because I have the same row, the same information twice. Here I click on continue, and the information will be merged with the raw data I imported originally. Once the data is entered, then I can continue with the analysis as discussed in previous videos.